Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in Global NCAP Adult Safety Rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from Global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. EVs will be cheaper than regular cars, a misconception. Maruti Suzuki India's Executive Director Shashank Srivastava at a recent event by The Economic Times said, "It is a misconception that electric vehicles will come at a lower cost." He added, PHEV provides scales for EV component manufacturing, business case viability for Make in India, and bring down the cost of EV in the long term. Jaguar developing shape-shifting seat that makes body think it's walking. Jaguar Land Rover is working on a shape-shifting seat system designed to prevent health risks caused by sitting down for too long by simulating walking feeling. The system uses a series of actuators in the seat to create micro-adjustments to make the brain think the person is walking. The morphable seat could be tailored to suit each driver and passenger.